So hello everyone, now I'm here back again and we are going with the fourth question for the same rule, and I will write that rule here that whenever we have limits from 0 to a and a function fx dot dx, so that will be equal to, you know what, we can rewrite it as from 0 to a limit and integration of a minus x, like the function a minus x. Okay, so this we will be using for the question which is ahead now. Okay, okay, okay. Are you ready for that? Okay, very great. So see, the question is question number 4. So that is actually the integration is given that limit is from 0 to 1. We have log 1 plus x and divided by 1 plus x squared or dx. How to solve this? How to solve this? Okay, so don't worry. What we will do, we'll consider this as equation number 1. This is our first equation. And now, you can see that we cannot integrate it directly. It is like having in the denominator, we have a quadratic equation that is 1 plus x squared. So whenever you have such thing, so what we do, you consider that let x be equal to something, okay? Let x is equal to tan y or tan t. I take it as tan t, okay? What is this here? Okay. Now, we will differentiate both the sides. So differentiating both sides. What I get dx is equal to, and the integration of sec is 10 is sec square x. So this is sec square t dot dt, isn't it? From here you got the value of dx. So keep this aside. We will put it back into the equation. Okay. Now, whenever you are like taking x equal to something, so you have to change the limit. The limit will also get changed according to this. So if I will put that here, that when x is equal to 0, so at what value of tan we get 0? That is 0 degree. So it means that t is equal to 0. And the another limit is 1. So when x is equal to 1, so at what value of like tan we get 1? That is 45 degrees. Tan 45 is 1. So 45 is pi by 4. So I will, what I have done. So we will write that t is equal to pi by 4. That is 45 degrees. Okay, very great. So our equation, our like the integrand now changed, that became integration 0 to pi by 4 now. And log 1 plus x. So it will become log 1 plus, but x is tan t, so it will become tan of t. Okay. And at the bottom, in the bottom, it is 1 plus tan square t, because that was like 1 plus x square in the bottom. Dot. Now we have dx, and the value of dx we got from here, that is sec square t dot dt. Now the integration has changed. So what you can do here, you see, if you know that one thing, what is 1 plus tan square x? You have gone through this. That is sec square x, we know that. So we will be using this here. You can see that the integration is 0 to, from the limit is pi by 4 log 1 plus tan t and over, okay, I will write for you like sec square t. This 1 plus tan square t, sec square t dot sec square t dot dt. Isn't it? You will say yes. That is very easy up to here everything. And like this and this is gone. So your integration, like the integrand became 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan t dot dt. And now you can separate this and you can write it like separately you can write. So I will change the color to something green now. Oh, it is already green, so black. Now what happened? What happened? You see, you have one thing, that is one rule I can use here, and if you know that this rule here, because we are using the only on this. So our I will become here now 0 to something you have, that is pi by 4. So the variable will become a minus x. So this will become log 1 plus tan of pi by 4 minus t dot dt. using the rule. Okay, very great. Now, I will tell you here one rule that whenever you have tan A minus B, here I am telling you, see, tan A minus B. So that is equal to how much? 1 minus tan 1 plus tan A minus tan B over what I'm doing. Okay, don't worry. I will write it nicely again and I will make you understand again here. So this becomes 1 plus tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. ठीक है? Got it. So I will put the same thing here, 0 to pi by 4. What is our tan A? So you see that is log. This 1 plus is already there. And we will be writing here. So So you actually see here there is a mistake actually in this formula, and that is I am telling you that is what tan A minus B whenever you have, so that will be tan A minus tan of B over 1 plus tan A tan B. Got it? So we will be using here. So this is 1 plus tan A is what? Tan A, that is tan pi by 4, minus our B is T. So that is minus tan T over 1 plus tan A tan B, pi by 4 into tan B is tan T, tangent of T. Got it? And this whole thing is like inside the integration. Okay, so if you know this value of 0 to pi by 4 now, if you know this, that 1 plus tan pi by 4, that is tan 45 degrees. How much is that? That is 1. So it will be 1 minus, and this tan T over 1 plus this tan pi by 4 is 1, so this is over tan T dot dt. So if you take like LCM here now, so it will become 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan t. Here it will become 1 plus tan t, and in the right hand side it will become 1 plus 1 minus tan t dot dt. Okay, so change the color of the pen first, blue. So this tan t is gone. So you have here only 2 over 0 to pi by 4 log 2 over 1 plus tan t, and that is dot dt. From here, if you go to the next page, so this is the next page here. What we were having in the previous page, you see that I was 0 to pi by 4, that is log 2 over 1 plus tan t. So it became now I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 over 1 plus tan t dot dt. And you know that one rule that whenever you have log A by B, so you can write it as log A minus log of B, isn't it? Use same thing here. So this will be 0 to pi by 4 integration log 2 and minus log 1 plus tan t dot dt. Now you can separately do this. So 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dot dt minus integration 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan t dot dt. If I will ask you here that what is the integration of log 2? But one thing I got it here, that if I see the question was, so this is like what you can see here. I is equal to this we got log 1 plus tan t. You come to the previous page, log 1 plus tan t here. So this was our I. It means that this whole thing is also our I, isn't it? I will name it as equation number 2 and I will put it here in equation number 3. So you write that, put equation 1, equation 2 in 3. So I will change the color. So I will be equal to, that is integration 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dot dt minus this whole thing is again our I. So this is I, isn't it? This whole thing is I, the integrand. So this I will come to the left hand side, it will become 2I. 2I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dot dt. Now, any one of you tell me here that what is the integration of log 2 dot dt? Equation number 3. Tell me. Okay. So log 2 is what? Log 2 is nothing but that is a constant. So it will become 2I and log 2 you take it out. Integration 0 to pi by 4 dt. So that is t only. So log 2 times of integration of dot dt is what? That is t. So t. And put the limit, that is 0 to pi by 4. Isn't it? So it will become log 2 times of t is pi by 4. So this is pi by multiplied by pi by 4. Simple. That is equal to 2i. Or you can do like this, will become I is equal to pi by 8 log 2. And this is the integration of our question, the given integrand. Got it? So in this way, you have to solve the questions. You have to think what we did here. If I will tell you that first, I consider this as I, and I took x is equal to tan t, and I differentiated both these sides. I got the value of dx. I put that dx here back. But whenever you are doing this, you have to change the limit even. So we change the limits here. Now I put the limit back 0 to pi by 4 I got. Okay. And after this, then I did the same thing. So 1 plus tan square is, that is sec square. Sec square got cancelled. I got this I, which became our integrand again. So I did nothing. I put it here back and I got the answer. So whenever I did here, I is equal to 2 over 1 plus tan t, I use the log formula here. That will be log 2 minus log 1 plus tan t. And what happened finally? Finally, we got that this whole expression here became our I. So this negative I came this side, it will become 2I, and we did it, and we did the integration of dot dt and we found this. So the answer is what? That is pi by 8 times of log 2. Okay. So have a great day. This was the question. And now I will take another question on this I have. So be with me in the next video. Okay. Have a great day till then. Bye. My name is Tabish and I was a math tutor for today here.